Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili bean. First, let's get started by browning your meat. You'll want to use about 2 pounds of ground beef or turkey. Cook it in a large pot over medium-high heat until it's fully browned. Once cooked, make sure to drain any excess fat. This step is crucial for building a rich flavor foundation for your delicious chili. Next, we're going to build those incredible flavors. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves to the pot, cooking until they're nice and soft. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Let these spices toast for about 60 seconds to release their full aroma and depth. Now for the heart of our chili, pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Next, add 1 cup of beef broth and 2 15-ounce cans of kidney beans, making sure they are rinsed well. Bring everything to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 60 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your chili and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper until it's just right. For serving, you can add your favorite toppings like shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh cilantro. This hearty chili is perfect served hot with a side of warm cornbread or crispy crackers. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.